In today's video, I am sharing how to grow hair faster, thicker and longer in 7 days.
To make this hair oil, take a fresh aloe vera leaf, and wash it thoroughly. Then cut the leaf into small cubes. After that, take half a bowl of melted coconut oil, and add aloe vera cubes to it. Then, warm the oil by placing it in a hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remember, don't heat the oil, just place the container in a hot water. You can stir the oil using a wooden spoon. Let the oil take up all the goodness and nutrients of aloe. Aloe vera repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner, and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Cool down for some time. Then, strain the oil, and it is ready to use. Apply this oil on your scalp. Massage it gently in a circular motion. Let it sit for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Then wash off with a mild shampoo. If you want, you can leave this oil overnight, and shampoo your hair the next morning. Aloe vera may help activate new hair growth, by increasing the blood circulation to the scalp, and delivering several important vitamins and minerals. Coconut oil and aloe vera make an excellent conditioning combination, which helps seal moisture to your hair shafts. This oil will contribute to maintaining your hair, so you won't have to get trims as often, letting you retain your hair's length. Aloe vera softens and conditions the hair. Regular use helps restore shine. It also helps curb hair fall and controls hair shedding, ensuring that your hair remains thick and voluminous. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe your scalp of irritation and aggravation. Aloe vera's high content of protein, vitamins, and minerals help it nourish your follicles and hair efficiently.
If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family.